Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pcalc app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pcalc is a versatile and powerful calculator app designed for both casual users and professionals who need advanced calculation tools. It offers a variety of modes, including scientific, engineering, and financial calculators, along with customizable themes and layouts. Users can perform complex calculations, conversions, and statistical analyses, all within a clean and intuitive interface. The app also supports features like multi-line editing, history tracking, and widget integration for quick access. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Pcalc's flexibility and accuracy, as well as its ability to handle a wide range of mathematical operations. The app's customizability allows users to tailor it to their workflow, and the availability of advanced functions makes it ideal for students, engineers, and finance professionals. Its clean interface ensures ease of use without overwhelming beginners. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users feel that certain advanced features require a learning curve, and casual users may find the breadth of options a bit overwhelming. While there's a free version, full access to all advanced functions and customization options requires a paid upgrade, which may be unnecessary for basic calculations. In summary, the Pcalc app may be worth using if you need a reliable, feature-rich calculator with advanced functions and customization. However, if you only need simple calculations or prefer a free, minimalist calculator, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.